Want people to look up to you and take your words seriously? It's a common desire, yet many fail at it, leading to poor self-esteem and weak social standing. Statistics show that people who are respected achieve more, so understanding how to command respect is vital. By the end of this video, you will learn 10 proven ways to ensure you're respected, all backed by science. Let's start. Number 10. Taking up physical space. Imagine being at a great party and feeling a bit uncertain about yourself. Suddenly, you observe someone capturing attention and respect from everyone present without doing anything. What's their secret? Well, it appears that the key to earning respect lies in a seemingly simple act: taking up physical space. Let us break it down for you. In social psychology, research indicates that our body language conveys a great deal about our confidence and authority. Consciously occupying more space by standing tall, extending our arms, and adopting an open posture sends signals of dominance and self-assurance. This not only signifies comfort with being seen, but also asserts your desire for comfort on your terms. This phenomenon is kindly referred to as power posing. Number 9. Taking lead. Consider someone familiar who consistently stands out as the go-to person, is always a step ahead, and is continuously taking charge. How do people react to them? And what makes them an instant leader upon entering a room, earning everyone's respect? We acknowledge that this might seem demanding, but let me explain why it's a game changer. This phenomenon is deeply connected to the psychological concept known as the halo effect. Research has indicated that when we consistently exhibit proactive behavior, it shapes how others perceive our competence and trustworthiness. Through proactivity, we create a positive impression that goes beyond the specific task at hand. Individuals who demonstrate initiative, drive, and an unwavering commitment to progress are respected and admired. Number 8. Power of silence to command respect. Recall instances where someone's incessant loudness and constant chatter led to a loss of respect. The common belief might be that being the loudest voice in the room ensures respect, but psychological insights suggest otherwise. By strategically employing silence, actively listening, and choosing our words with care, we cultivate an air of wisdom and thoughtfulness that piques the curiosity of those around us. It's not about dominating conversations, but rather engaging in strategic communication. Think about those individuals who seldom offer advice, but when they do, everyone treasures their words. That's the key. Speak only when it makes perfect sense, express ideas in a simplified yet charming manner tailored to your audience, and share thoughts only when you know that they will resonate with those around you. But what about those moments requiring emotional or philosophical responses? Here's the trick. People appreciate hearing new or differently pleasing ideas. So speak only when presenting a slightly different perspective and justify it poetically. Watch as eyes widen in respect and heads nod in appreciation. Number 7. Aligning your words and actions. People whose words carry the weight to influence not just their actions, but also garner respect from those around them. When we steadfastly uphold our promises and ensure our words translate into actions, we forge a reputation for being trustworthy and reliable. The synergy of our actions, harmonizing with our words, creates an aura of integrity that demands respect from those in our circle. Moreover, people inherently appreciate consistency in others. When our words and actions align, we convey dependability, authenticity, and a commitment to our values. Such consistency builds an unwavering sense of security, reliability, and ultimately, respect. Number 6. Thin slice technique for a respected image. When we liberate ourselves from conventional fashion norms and boldly express our authentic selves through our clothing choices, something enchanting occurs. Psychological studies propose that individuals who embrace their uniqueness are not just perceived as confident and self-assured, but also evoke admiration and respect from others. By showcasing your true colors, whether through unconventional fashion pairings, vintage discoveries, or personalized accessories, you emerge as an irresistible force that cannot be overlooked. It's similar to crafting your personal brand, a visual narrative that reflects your values, passions, and creativity. Yet, in maintaining your uniqueness, elegance plays a crucial role. How? You don't necessarily need to chase the most high-end fashion brands. Instead, discover brands that complement your style and cater to your body shape and size. This strategic approach ensures that you exude individuality while maintaining a touch of sophistication. Number 5. Touch for lasting impressions. Ever wondered why a simple handshake, a friendly high five, or a comforting hug can leave a lasting impression? It's not just a casual physical interaction. It's a powerful non-verbal language that communicates trust, empathy, and understanding. Psychological research has found profound effects of appropriate and consensual touch on human connection. This form of communication transcends the limitation of words, creating a bond that goes beyond verbal expression. The magic lies in the intricate interplay between biology and psychology. Touch has the incredible ability to trigger the release of oxytocin, often referred to as the bonding hormone. Oxytocin plays a pivotal role in fostering feelings of connection, reducing stress, and promoting social bonding. Engaging in platonic touch, whether it's a handshake or a hug, floods our system with this hormone, creating a sense of closeness and establishing a foundation of trust and respect. Number 4. Leveraging your imperfections to earn respect. Here's a surprising secret that can instantly garner your respect and admiration. Embrace your imperfections. Think back to a moment where someone openly shared their shortcomings and you felt an immediate surge of respect for them. You can achieve the same impact. When we vulnerably disclose our imperfections, we become more relatable, authentic, and approachable to others. By acknowledging our flaws, we dismantle the walls of perfectionism, fostering an atmosphere of trust and empathy. Opening up about our failures humanizes us, makes us more relatable, and showcases our resilience. It's like giving others permission to embrace their own flaws and celebrate their journey. But here's a word of caution. Be mindful about the shortcomings you share. Avoid casually divulging deep insecurities or highly personal downsides. Instead, share relatable anecdotes, like how a lazy day after a week of productivity isn't a problem for you. Provide general and relatable cues that don't cast anyone in a negative light. Number 3. Respect through unconventional compliments. Imagine yourself in a fiercely competitive environment, whether in the workplace, sports arena, or any other domain. Instead of tearing down your rivals, you choose a different approach, genuinely complimenting them. It may seem counterintuitive, but let me explain why it yields remarkable results. Psychological studies indicate that when we openly acknowledge and praise the strengths and accomplishments of our competitors, we elevate our own standing and gain the respect of others. By recognizing their skills, we exhibit a secure and confident mindset, demonstrating that we are not threatened by their success. It's akin to possessing a superpower that transforms the dynamics of competition into a supportive and collaborative atmosphere. This phenomenon is grounded in the psychological concept known as social proof, or the Ben Franklin effect. When we compliment others, including our competitors, we create a positive association with our own character. Number 2. Say only what you mean. Consider the impact of communicating with sincerity and precision. In a world filled with words, saying only what you genuinely mean can be a game changer. Psychological research highlights the power of authentic communication. When we express ourselves with clarity and intention, we convey a sense of trustworthiness and reliability. The consistency between our words and true intentions creates an atmosphere of integrity, fostering respect from those around us. This phenomenon aligns with the psychological concept of the consistency principle. People naturally value consistency in others, and when our words mirror our genuine intentions, we signal dependability, authenticity, and adherence to our values. This consistency establishes an undeniable sense of security, reliability, and ultimately, respect. Number 1. Give and take tactic. Consider the profound impact of a reciprocal approach to respect. Give respect and take respect. Psychological insights into reciprocity underscore that when we offer respect to others, we are more likely to receive it in return. This tactic involves creating a positive cycle where mutual respect becomes the norm. This concept aligns with the psychological principles related to reciprocity and social exchange. When respect becomes a shared currency, it builds bridges of trust and appreciation. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.